Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check if your iPhone is hacked and how to fix it. To check this, the first method is to go to settings and scroll down. Search for the Safari option and tap on it. Toggle on the block pop-ups button. Scroll down and toggle on the prevent cross-site tracking. Now go to clear history and select the clear history button. The other method is to go to settings app and search for the calendar option. Go to accounts and tap on your account. To delete an account, tap on the delete account button. Next, in the settings, tap on your Apple ID on the top. Go to the iPhone option to remove the unknown locations. Go back and tap the sign in and security button. To make your account secure, tap on two-factor authentication. You need to turn on this option to secure your account. Tap on change password and enter your current password. You can add a new password for your device or account. Another method is to go to settings and tap privacy and security. Scroll down and select the camera app option. You can select the apps to access the camera. Toggle off the apps if you find any error in that app. If you find any third-party app, long press on it and tap remove app. Uninstalling may fix the error that occurs on your phone. In settings, go to the general option and tap about. Make sure the device is updated. Go to the iPhone storage option and scroll down to view all the apps. Tap on the app name in which you find the error and tap on the offload app button. Then select offload app to delete the app from your device. Another method is to go to settings. Search for passwords and tap on it. Go to security recommendations and change your password settings here. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.